okushohoza birugiro mu kubuzibwa kw'abeegi b'ekyamushanju aho umwaka 2024 kwakorerwa mu makago bwa pulezidenti omuri Nakasero Kampala.
The 2024 candidature increased and the rate of absenteeism also dropped further. An increase in registration number at this point is therefore welcome, and it proves that the children have largely remained in school. UNEV approached the judiciary with a request for a special utility court. Advice has been received on the procedures, and the board will follow up on this. The board is very grateful to you, Mama, for your prompt action in ensuring that UNEV regulations have now been issued as a statutory instrument.
Ahabo mwaka 2024 abeje 78,681 nubo babuzibwe kandi abeje 10,203 bakosha tubabuzibwa abeje 79,784 abayihandikise okufutamira ebuzebi aboje bakozere kurunjo mu mashoma gandi kandi amishiki bakozere kurunjo mu Rungereza. Minisitiri w'Ebyokwegyesa Janet Kataha Museveni yahereko kwatwaho ahabwa abeje barukosho mu mashomero. Okuhumura komisini yo kubanza nokutandika 2017 ko kubanza 2025. Omugandi habwahima yo kushohoza ebuzo abeje bakozereje n'abaziri bari mu kushemererwa kandi basinunka mabwo buhanguzi.
Teacher Ebeneza Janice Mbarara campus kandi inamasenerwa mingi abwizoberi abwa results za PLE omwaka gwe 2024 tukasitamisa abana 23 abarubiye registered kandi bona bizere bakoze kurungi on first grade n'abana 17 kandi abana mukaga baryo mu second grade
because 9 aggregates kandi sima bashomesa banje abo kunshomesa je bakafayo nkayika hinaye kamwe bari in 9 aggregates and the message I would like to convey to the children who are still studying is that they should mind, they should read harder and they have good aims.
Shawa Ebeneza Janice no kushemererwa kwinjeri zoba abwa abana ba P7 no kushikaje munonga nitushima bashomesa staff yona abana anabazire abantu basise kujangu kuzereje.
And today I feel like wow, this is a great opportunity. I'm very happy. I've scored excellently. I'm according to my expectations.
Tukasitamisa abana 898 abashitamire bizamu byabo byo kuhendera imyaka mushanju kandi ahabwe mbabazi results uzashohora twine abana 305 mu grade 1.
I feel very good about today. I did it with all the grace of God and
mwana wanje msima honest nisima bwarhanga kushanga kuzirate kandi kinkusimo mbyone kimbeni nshaba no kubera hishomero rye ba trustingire kandi yacu bakoro mu izina rya Yesu.
Tutamusabeji 12 munana bijo first grade bana bazo mu second bakozereje munonga nsima rahanga ahabwe mbabazi.
Omubashemerirwe harimo nembo hashatu namushanje ku rugamba ra prison ahiba nabihire yo grade yo kubanza.
Douglas, where are you? Okay. Where is Ayamba? Nainjuka Amon.
Kozere aggregate 12 nimbanza kwebaza ruhanga ambasise kora grade G Nyebazana Madam Supervisor.
I take the opportunity to thank the Almighty who enabled me to come with success in the primary living examination 2024. I'm so glad for having achieved very good results.
Yomwejaha arimbara Inmates Primary School kandi nyomwejo basekora jombeje bona twakwa tujya beja 35 akakora aggregate 9 mu subjects zanjye zona so nitwara umugisha wo gusima OC na staff bona abasirikare.
We're happy to have scored the first grade within the prison. So I thank the prison officers, the staff and the teaching staff who have managed to keep us here. They have provided and have given us enough. We were prepared.
Nyana Winnie, omukulu wa masomero g'Embarara prisons nga natuza abayizi 37 tusobodde okuyisa abayizi bange bana bayitidde mu division 1 then 2 bayitidde mu division 2 10 bayitidde mu division ya kusatu and then 3 ne bayitira mu division ey'okuna sifunyeemu muyizi yenna agudde.
Okushoma nikimu mu bintu eby'omuntu wena arikwetenga ekyome kyambara niko babaze kukora imwe mwena baze kukola pure iyo mwaka ukwire tubendeza ebirungi awa TV West ndisenyo mu Gideon aho murembo rwambara.